Today, we will learn about the formation of the moon. The moon, which is Earth's only natural satellite, has a complex formation history. Initially, Sir George Darwin proposed a theory in 1838 suggesting that the Earth and the moon originated from a single rapidly spinning entity that eventually broke apart. Another early belief linked the moon's material to the depression in the Pacific Ocean. However, these theories are now considered outdated. A widely accepted explanation in modern science is the giant impact hypothesis, also known as the Big Splat. This theory persists that a celestial body, 1 to 3 times the size of Mars, collided with the early Earth, ejecting a large amount of debris into space. This debris gradually coalesced to form the moon approximately 4.4 billion years ago. A great example of this is the analysis of lunar rocks. The study of the lunar rocks brought back by the Apollo mission serves as a real life case study. These rocks have been instrumental in helping us understand the moon's composition and have provided evidence that supports the giant impact hypothesis. This evidence offers valuable insights into the moon's origin that aligns with the theory we just discussed. Become a Skill Yogi member to access all our website content and receive doubt clearing support on WhatsApp. Visit Skill Yogi today.